This is Abdurrahman Fayella from ChainNotary, and this is a quick demo of how our platform works. So basically, this is the landing page explaining briefly what do we do. And there are two buttons here, a button to publish an earning release and a button to query an earning release. An earning release is a special financial document that Egyptian listed companies in the Egyptian stock market have to issue every 3 months or once per quarter. So if we hit publish earning release, we would enter the data for this earning release. For the sake of this demo, we will be using the earning release issued by the Sweden Electric in Q1 2024. So we will start by writing the earning release name, the company name, the description of the earning release, the quarter of the earning release, and the year of the earning release. And then we would start inputting um, critical data. And these critical data, of course, it is possible to be extracted from the earning release itself, but because of the problem of standardization and each company basically issues its special design of the earning release, there's no standardized way to have this data in the earning release. So since this data is critical, and for now, we would the user would have to input this type of data manually. So for the sake of this video, I have extracted the data myself before starting the video. So I would write total equity, total liabilities and equity, total assets, total liabilities again, and then we would have the gross profits, the net profits, the operating profits. All of these data are extracted from the SVD release. So they are official published data and public data. And then finally, we would have to upload the document itself, which is a Swedish Electric document. Yeah, this is done. And then we would hit the publish button. Okay, the document has been published successfully on the ICB blockchain. We would have the option, of course, to download it. And we have also the document ID if we want to query it afterwards. And if we want to do some AI analytics on the document, we can do that. We can, for example, find the financial summary of the document. So here's the financial summary of the document that we have just uploaded. And we can also have the analysis charts. So analyzing the documents. Okay, and this is the charts. And these charts or pie charts are made by the AI model. So for example, and to make sure that the AI model is not hallucinating, for example, it's not coming up with random numbers. If we look for the wires and cables in the and look of the gross profit, a breakdown of wires and cables, we would open the document and we would find right here that the wires and cables segment gross profit increased by 85.7, and it's contributing 69% to consolidated gross profit, which is exactly what we find here. We find that the wires and cables indeed contributed in 69% to the gross profit breakdown. So that's proof that proves that the AI is not hallucinating. It's extracting the data and it's building the pie chart accurately. So, and then if we want to get back to the document, this is of course a QR code if you want to get to the document directly without querying the document and having to remember the document ID. But if you want to query the document, and we have the document ID, that is the document ID, we would hit query and we would find the document, and then we would have the option again to do some AI analytics on it. So this is basically and briefly how our platform works. Thank you and welcome to the future of financial notarization.